Hey everybody, this is Cassie from Helper Tech, and I just wanted to talk to you about iPhone XR screen repair. So this is something that we can do. We are actually now servicing Mendota Heights area. We've got our Helper Tech Egan store off of Cliff Road and 35E if you want to stop out there. Otherwise, we do have our Helper Tech Burnsville as well off of County Road 42 and 35E. But these are very easy repairs to do. I can either do them in an hour for $189 or do them in 15 minutes for $209. Now, one thing I do have people come in and ask all the time is, you see these screens and it's actually got, you can't see the charge symbol. There's black lines all up and down. This is not as bad as some are, but, can we fix that? Most of the time people come in and they can have black pixels just everywhere, or it's bright green, or the touch doesn't work. All that stuff is fixable at a screen repair, with a screen repair. So you don't need an appointment. You can just stop out anytime. Like I said, we've got our Helper Tech Egan store and our Helper Tech Burnsville, so whichever is more convenient for you. Both stores are open until 6 o'clock during the week and Saturdays 10 to 3. If you have any questions, you can give us a call at 651-605-2575. And like I said, weird visual anomalies, that stuff is fixed with a screen repair. So if you have an iPhone XR, X, XS, any of that stuff, or even an older iPhone, we can replace the screens and get you all up and running. You guys have a nice day.